Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration and I'm looking at a log home today. It's kind of an unusual one. People live in California and they've seen it, seen pictures of it and a video, but they've never been here. So here we are, looking at it to find out what it's going to cost to get it restored. And it's a lot of work to do. It's got like a 4-stall garage. It's huge. This is all log siding, by the way. Everything on the garage is pretty good, other than no stain. It looks like they did some stain here on the front porch, but that was a long time ago. We got some logs up there that are touching the roof deck, or the roof shingles, and those bottom logs need to be repaired. And some of the fascia boards also run back and touch the shingles, so they've decayed a little bit too. One thing we can't figure out is, and it's got to be a roof leak up one of the dormers, but there's water stains here coming down from up above, and maybe a little bit over there too. But that's pretty bad. That's been going on for some time. And anyhow, the windows have all been bucked out with a 4x4, but there isn't any slope on the top of them, or bevel, to make the water run away from the from the window. So there's some decay in the top of those, and I hope it hasn't gone any further than that. I'm not sure what the sheathing is, but anyhow, this wall is this one's been caulked. The garage has not had any caulking done on it, but being as this is a gable end facing the west, I believe, it gets a fair share of rain, and it's probably leaked a little bit. This has been caulked over here also, and I don't see the type of staining that we saw in the front. So that, dormer must be okay. As far as this gable end is concerned, it also has had caulking in it, and it needs to be redone. There's some decay in the bottom inside corner of several windowsills like that, for the obvious reason that there's no slope on that board. Over here we've got a couple of crowns that have deteriorated. This one on the bottom here, I don't know, it almost looks like it's been gnawed on by some varmint, but anyway, that one needs to be replaced. Up here, we found a little decay on some of the fascia boards. We've had some logs down here that were replaced already, and there is a small stack of them over here. I've got to go and count those. Well, I'll just take a video of them. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah, we've got some material over there to work with, so that's good. But these are kind of a shiplap design, so that they really don't all need to be caulked. but those in that pile don't have that feature. So anyhow, this end is in fairly good shape. We got one windowsill over here that needs to be repaired, and then this inside corner has got some decay in it also. And up there, there's actually an opening in the soffit. I think that a raccoon has gotten in there. And well, the back side of the garage here is done with a different type of material. It's not logs. And anyhow, there's no log damage back here. So anyhow, that's it for the outside. We're going to be doing an inside assessment here shortly. I'll be interested to see if there's been any signs of leakage on this. This is done with some sort of plexiglass, and it doesn't hold up as good as glass, but it's a lot cheaper to install to begin with. So anyhow, we'll check out the inside here next.